Welcome to our Young Street Walking Tour. Ang walking tour na to ay magsisimula sa Dundas Street West hanggang Front Street West.
Pero ang manok, yan. At kami talaga alis. Manok. Ipon. Talagang pinakain ako rin ng pinakain. Ngati ako ng ngati. Grabe ang mga pantal ko yung reaction ng talaga hanggang sa na-immune ako. Pero ngayon, hindi na ako ganun.
C'est bon, ma force, honnêtement, là je te dis maintenant.
Surgery on the...
Yan daw sabi ni Kim, masarap eh. Heidelad hot pot. Yun ang bagong hot pot place na pinupuntahan nila. Sa Chinatown. Diyan, babe, diyan ang nagka-conscious sa mga Pilipino. Nasi Hall, sa Gary V, nag-conscious dyan.
Saan?
Diyan sa Nasi Hall.
Massey Hall?
Oh.
Ito daw yun yung Massey Hall kung saan nagko-concert madalas sa mga Pilipino.
Si JR, sino pa ba yung mga Sara Geronimo. Tapat naman yung St. Michael's.
Anong St. Michael's?
Hospital. Kung nakatira pa tayo ng Dundas West, yan ang naging hospital ko or yung
Hindi ko lang kayo kasi napapaliw.
Layo naman.
Diba, kaya nga Humber River dahil mas malapit yung kay Atsoli.
Hell no. They say not hell.
Okay ang kanilang mushroom soup. A steak. Ibagay kumain sa milestone food, masarap ang steak nila. Yung Bellini, masarap. Dati, pag film fest, yan, dyan yung mga film fest na isa na diretso yan siya dito naman ang mga patios. Dito nagre-red carpet, may mga pila dyan. Kasi yung mga artista, dyan nag-ano.
Is it down one or like climb over?
Miss Universe Canada, dyan ginawa. Tapos yung afternoon, doon na sila sa North York Center. Kasi mas mura doon. Kasi dito, ang luma na ng mga theater, ang mahal pa sa downtown. Pero hindi na talagang entertainment district eh. Diretso pa tayo. Dito na magtatrap. Diretso.
Ito ang pinakamahabang street, di ba?
Yeah.
The Young Street.
Hanggang dun yun, sa York, sa Vaughan.
Shane, I just find like
Ito, kaya Nikki, sa Young and Steel. Yung center point mo, ito.
Part pa rin pa yan ng Eaton Center ang Hudson's Bay.
No.
Itong ano?
No. Ito.
Hudson's Bay Company.
Extension lang, pero no.
Kaya nga, sabihin, part pa din siya.
It's managed by the CF Toronto Music, Cadillac Fairviews. So it's not Go. Si Coco.
Oh, these.
Ito yung Temperance Street. Temperance Street, ito yung yung pinangalan dun sa meron siyang malaking pagawaan ng tannery. Karamihan ng mga binanggit ko dito ay tama naman, kaya lang para mas maging tama ang ating paglalahad ay sumangguni tayo sa Toronto Street Names, an illustrated guide to their origins written by Leonard Wise and Alan Gold. Sabi nila, Temperance Street was laid out by Jesse Ketchum on property that was once part of his tannery at Yonge and Queen. His father had been an alcoholic and his mother died when he was 5, leaving 11 children to be cared for in foster homes. As a result, Ketchum became a strong supporter of the temperance or the anti-liquor movement, and when he moved his tannery business to Buffalo in the late 1830s, he donated some land for a temperance hall to be built on Temperance Street, with the condition that alcohol would not be served on that street. The hall was later demolished, but Temperance Street remains as a reminder of one of the greatest philanthropists in Toronto's history. Yan. Yeah, this is part of the old Toronto walking tour. So hindi na mamalayo, nag-old Toronto tour na pala tayo. Ito ang pizza ni Papa P. Pizza Piolo. Pizza House. Ito naman, approaching tayo ng King Street West.
Yan yung dito, King West, One King West Hotel. Diyan kami nag-stay parati.
Yeah, may One King West.
Executive Suite.
So, ang street na to ay pinangalan kay King Henry?
I don't know.
The Mad King.
King Edward.
No, the Mad King. Who's the Mad King? King Henry. I think King Henry. Kung may madman dito, Marky, ikaw yon. Kasi mali na naman ang sinabi mo. Hindi kay King Henry pinangalan ang King Street na yan, kundi kay King, tingnan natin, King George III. One of the earliest streets to be laid out in the town of York King Street was named for King George III, who was the reigning monarch at the time. Although he was known as the Mad King George, today his symptoms have been diagnosed as possible signs of porphyria, a disease that can poison the nervous system and the brain. Ang layo naman pala nito.
Doon na. Kasi na lights. Dito yung Staples eh.
Oh, eto naman si Melinda. Si Melinda naman, siya yung asawa ng asawa siya nung pinakaunang watchmaker ng Toronto. Pinangalan sa kanilang mag-asawa. Nasaan yung street ng asawa niya? Magkalapit lang sila eh. Melinda and I think John Street. Muntik nang tumama yung sinabi ko. Hindi pala John ang pangalan ng asawa ni Melinda, kundi Jordan. Pero tama ako. Si Jordan Post ang pinakaunang watchmaker and clockmaker in the town of York. He came from Connecticut with his family in 1802 and bought the land between Yonge and Bay along King Street. He set up a store and operated a successful watchmaking business. He ventured into real estate and made a great profit buying and selling properties. Post also served on the town council and donated money for the establishment of a common school in York and for a Presbyterian church. In his 60s, he moved to some land he owned in Scarborough and began a lumber business. Melinda Street was named after his wife, Melinda Woodruff.
Sa lights
same.
doon
So,
tayo
no.
magkahanan.
I am up.
Oh, Front Street na pala to eh. Di, eto na yung ano.
No, Union doon pa doon.
Hindi, eto na yung malapit sa Royal Ontario, di ba?
No.
Di ba Front Street? Ah, hindi pala. Union pala yung.
Ang Royal Ontario is yung hindi front.
Mali.
Yung Marche.
So basically, binabaybay natin yung Yonge Street.
Yan ang Sony Center for the Performing Meridian Hall.
Anong way?
Yun ang Jane Mallet here. Doon din na pang-pageant doon.
Meridian Hall.
Yun sa pageant ng pageant. Ano? Yan yung Oliver Valentino. Hindi ba na?
Di ba nagyayang tayo?
Yun ang Hockey Hall of Fame.
This is the Mint, Royal Canadian Mint. Ayan no. Yung candy nila. Joke lang.
The other one was great.
Silver dollar. This is the Hockey Hall of Fame. Le Temple de la Renommée du Hockey. Hockey Hall of Fame was founded in 1943 to establish a memorial to those who have developed Canada's great winter sport, ice hockey. So we're entering
First Canadian place.
First Canadian. Ano to, mall?
No, ano siya?
Activity center?
Ano, function area.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. Ang new hockey hallway. Tapos, dito yung
Wow. Impressive. Impressive.